We're gonna start by grinding some oats. Alternatively, you could buy oat flour, but why? It is so much cheaper and very easy to make it yourself at home. I'm using my spice grinder. You could also use a blender. And we're gonna add 3 cups. All of the measurements will be in the description box below. I'm gonna do the same thing with this whole flax. I'm grinding it myself, but you need 1/4 of a cup. Then we're gonna add some almond flour and some tapioca starch. We're gonna add some coconut sugar. You could also use brown sugar, but I wanted to keep this refined sugar free. Some baking powder, some Himalayan pink salt, and we're gonna whisk all of this together. Next, we're gonna add our wet ingredients. So we're gonna add some vanilla extract. Make sure you use the real stuff here. Then we're gonna add some apple cider vinegar along with some melted coconut oil. Now I have this pulp that I made with my almond cow. This is Almond Pulp. If you don't have any of this, you could just use more plant milk and that should work beautifully. But this is my milk that I made with my almond cow. I will leave a link in the description box below if you guys want to get one of these for yourself. I've been making my own plant milk at least once a week, every week, using everything from pecans to cashews. I even use just oats. It is so incredibly delicious. I decided to add a little bit more of the plant milk. You want the consistency to be wet, but not too wet. Just about like this, and it's perfect. Next, we're gonna get our chocolate ready. You could use a chocolate bar. I have these very big chocolate chips, so I'm chopping them up. Alternatively, you can use mini chocolate chips, you can use cacao nibs, whatever you've got on hand. Once you get it to the thickness that you prefer, you're gonna reserve about 1/4 of a cup of it to add to the top when we're done molding the cookies. The rest, we're gonna just dump right into the bowl. How easy is this? Just one big bowl, easy to make. I've been making these on repeat every single week. They're so perfect for breakfast, packed with nutrition and protein. Next, we're gonna grab our pan. So I have this very cute pan. It's a ceramic pan, and I'm using a large cookie scoop, and I'm gonna flatten them down with a spatula. You definitely need to shape these cookies to the shape that you like because they are not going to flatten like regular cookies. Add some of those reserved chocolate chips to the top. And I like to add a little tiny bit of some raw cane sugar on top. You could also use monk fruit. Place it inside of your oven. I'm using my air fryer here. I love it. Set it to 350 for 20 minutes. About halfway through, I'm just giving it a spin just to ensure everything cooks perfectly. After about 18 minutes, take them on out. Look at these absolutely perfect chocolate chip cookies. While they're still warm, I like to add a little bit of coarse sea salt. If you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure that you smash that thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye guys.